Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Why your gut wants you to sleep on your left side every night. Our sleep position matters to our health. It affects everything from the brain to the gut. We know that not getting enough sleep can make us feel about as energetic as a sloth. But if you're logging the recommended 7 to 8 hours for your adulting needs and still waking up feeling lackluster, here are how these 3 sleep positions affect your gut health. Number 1. Sleep on your left side for better health. Left side sleeping has the most expert and science-backed health benefits. Although our bodies appear largely symmetrical, our organ placement makes us asymmetrical internally. How we res influence the way our system direct and process wast which should be part of our overall health aspiration. Many of us actually already favor side sleeping. A 2017 study deduced we spend more than half of our time in bed in a side or fetal position. If you're a side sleeper, you likely do a little flip-flopping during the night. That's fine. Just try to start out on your left side to pamper your gut. Number 2. Back to basics for pain relief. There are plenty of positives from sleeping on your back. First off, it is easier to keep your spine aligned. In addition, a supine position can take pressure off the shoulder or jaw and reduce tension headaches resulting from those areas. Sleeping on your back may also reduce discomfort by lessening compression and pain from old injuries or other chronic conditions. Changing your sleep position isn't easy, as our bodies have grown accustomed to our sleep ritual for years. But using a pillow in different ways can help jumpstart the change. Number 3. Sleeping on your belly is bad news. If you are sleeping on your stomach and notice you are suffering back pain, there probably is a reason, since the majority of the weight of the human body is around your center. That core pushes into the sleep surface further, and basically puts strain on your spine in the wrong direction, causing back and neck pain. The only benefit to a downward-facing sleep position is that it may help keep your airways open if you snore or have sleep apnea. However, a side option is better. All of this talk of sleep has probably made you feel ready for a nap. If you're about to hop off to bed, remember to be mindful of your form and make adjustments when necessary. You'll find a position and pillow placement that works for your unique needs before you know it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.